Hello, I'm Jared Brown, SATIC Incorporated in Missoula, Montana. This is a Maztec 2205 three-phase digital power clamp meter, and I'm going to demonstrate how to measure a three-phase, four-wire Y panel with this meter in doing a three-phase, in a Y configuration. And then later I will also demonstrate how to do a delta metering technique. The first option, we're going to need two clamps, and the two clamps will be in common V2 and V3, and we'll need a probe, and we'll want that to be in V1 to do this three-phase four-wire Y testing. We will put our clamp around the primary leg. Both clamps, V2 common and V3, will go on to neutral. The selector is turned 2 clicks to the left to the single phase area. Even though we're doing three-phase, in a Y configuration we want to go into a single phase, and we will probe this lug with the probe and get the same kind of ratings that you would get in a single phase situation. You will get voltage, amperage, bottom left and then bottom right, and then the power factor of all three combined phases on the system. Next we'll move to the B leg and do the same process. Record voltage, amperage, power factor. And then you'll go to the C leg and continue to do the same. Voltage, amperage, power factor. When you're doing a three-phase delta, and often when you're doing a three-phase panel, it's beneficial to check both the delta and the Y circuitry. There's actually 6 circuit pathways in a three-phase environment. You will need to turn your meter to the three-phase selection, which is 3 clicks to the left. And you will then take your two clamps off the neutral, and we'll want to take the V2 common clamp and lock it onto the lug for the B phase, and the V3 clamp and lock it onto the C phase lug, and we will probe and clamp the A leg. Now the three-phase requires a couple extra steps. The initial reading that you get on this front screen will not actually tell you what the efficiency of the system is. You'll have to hit the watts button, which will be in the second row in the second column over. And you'll have to punch that button twice. And on the screen you will see over in the middle of the left, it'll say cosine theta. And that will tell you that you're in a power factor measuring situation. And this will tell you what the phase relationship between all three phases is in a delta configuration. So, and again, you'd want to record the volts, the amps, and the power factor. Then we will move to the B phase with the main clamp, cycle these clips over a step, and repeat the process. Record your data, step the clips, and record the data. At the end of a three-phase panel data set, you should have 6 sets of data. 2 sets for A, 2 sets for B, 2 sets for 3. Each set will be volts, amps, and power factor. One will be for a Y circuit, and one will be for a delta circuit. And please, everybody be very careful. Electricity is dangerous. Do use the proper protective equipment. Thank you very much.